Hey everybody, welcome back to my Recipe Basics YouTube channel. I just want to show you the results of a really good peanut butter cookie recipe that I did the other day for my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. So I made these 3 days ago. I'm just going to open this up. I want to show you what a nice cookie this is. There were a lot of cookies in here and this is the last one. So I just thought I would do a video before somebody eats it. But here we go. You can see how nice this is. A super easy recipe. You'll love it. I'll put a link to it down underneath this video in the description box and also in the comment section if you want to try the recipe out. But look at this. So this is 3 days in and I'm just going to show you. Look at this. It is still nice. Look at this. Very nice. Not dried out. Look at that. Oh, and this cookie is amazing. You're going to try this once and you're going to want to make this recipe all the time. And I'll just go in for a little bite. That is good. So if you love peanut butter cookies, you got to try this recipe out. That's it for today. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.